Hey everybody, welcome to Willis Elevators, and I'd like to give you a hotel tour. Today we're staying here at the City Express Plus in Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico. Let's start off first with the lobby. Here's the lobby right here, and right here's the deli gourmet. And over here, that's where they check your temperature and you get your hand sanitizer. I have no idea what this place is, and right here's the luggage cart. And right there's the front desk. I'm not gonna get them on picture. Social distancing. There's a door that leads to the outside. Right there's the hand sanitizer. And right here are the public restrooms. And no idea what those rooms go to. So let's check out the elevator. We're gonna go up to the first floor. And you know what these are, right? That's right, they're Mitsubishi. We're gonna take a look at the breakfast area. And there's the face covering requirement sign. There's the rules right there, possibly want to read. And social distancing 1 to 5 meters. That's where you get your hand sanitizer. Let's see, which one is it? This one. So, gotta have to point the camera. Voy a entrar. Voy al piso 1, a ver. Alright, here we are at the first floor where the breakfast area is. It's closed right now, and there's I'm assuming it's a city area. And right there is the Samsung TV. And the lights, some lights are turned on, some of them are turned off. Right there's a smoke detector and a little lamp right there. Here you have your LG thermostat. And out here is your view outside of Expo. There's the City Express Plus logo. And here's the breakfast area. And I'm gonna have to point the camera down because I don't want to get them on picture. Right there's the Samsung TV hang up on the wall. All the breakfast and everything is gone because I don't know what the time is. Right there's the microwave. That's where you sit down. And in here is, no idea what this area is. That's where you, oh, sorry guys. I have low battery. And that's where you sit down. Here's this beautiful painting on the wall. Sorry guys, I'm low on battery, so there's a hand sanitizer, and here's the emergency exit. Right there's the pull station. And the fitness center is closed at this time, but let's check that out. Right there's the meeting room, which is closed right now. So, and over here are the public restrooms. And here is the fitness center, which, see, it's closed right now. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let's go check out the room now. Again, there's a hand sanitizer. Right there is the vending machine. And here's your view outside. Anyways, let's go up to the second floor and tour the room. Let's get your cat view. Your nice Mitsubishi elevator. And here's our good friend, Mr. Security. Here we're at 2. Let's watch it close up. There it goes now. And here's your awesome view outside of Expo again. Really like the view out here. And right here's the parking lot. Anyways, let's go check out the room. And right there is the smoke detector and the fire sprinkler. I am in room 203. But before we tour the room, let's check something here. Here's the fire exit. Right there's the pull station. And right there's the fire alarm and a fire sprinkler. Here's your amazing view out here of Expo again. We like the views a lot. And right there's the LG thermostat. Anyways, let's check out the room now. Here at room 203. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the City Express Plus, Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico. We're here in room 203 and let's check out the room now. And here's the key card smiling. All right, if I can turn some lights on. You come in here, you have a nice room here. Right there is the evacuation plan, and right there is a little hole. And right here's the thermostat. And up there's the air conditioner, which is an LG. And here I have your 2 beds, which I do like. And right there's the telephone and the lamps. Let me try turning a light on. Oh, there we go. There's a remote right there. And there's the Samsung TV. The camera's not focusing. And here's a workstation with that beautiful lamp. And here I have the open air closet. And out here is your view outside of Guadalajara Expo. Here's your view outside of Expo. All right. Right there's the safe. And let's check out the bathroom now. And right there's the smoke detector and the fire sprinkler. All right. Let's check out the bathroom now. Hey, there I am. Hi. There's a hairdryer. You have your sink. And here's the commode, which I don't know what the brand is, but you guys can tell me in the comments below. And right there's the ironing board, and right there's the iron. And here you have the shower with your arch shower curtain. Let me move the towel so I won't get it wet. And I don't know what kind of fixture this is. Focus. Hands go up, I don't know. And right there's the shower head. Let's turn on the shower. Really like that shower a lot. So anyways, what do you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room. I like City Express hotels. So anyways, hope you all enjoy the room tour of the City Express Plus Guadalajara Expo in Guadalajara, Mexico, room 203. And that is going to be it. Thank you all for watching, and that's it.